Got 2 ports. If I can get this. USB-C, it looks like. Just USB. This is output. This is input. It's a new model. I haven't bought a model in a few years. I'm gonna assume that compared to the other solar panels that I had, it all broke eventually over time. These 2 are the 2 I had left. Neither of them work. This one is gonna be, this is a few years newer. It's gonna be a lot more efficient, I'm assuming. I like the size, I like the grip. It's like a phone. It's like the size of a phone. Get a Pixel 4 here for comparison. This Pixel 4 is actually bigger than this charger. Can't even see it. It's gone. The Pixel eat it. So I like it so far. I haven't used it, but I like the grip. I like the size of it. I like the design. I like the colors. Pretty simple. Pretty straightforward. 2 ports, an inlet and an outlet. See how it works. I just push the power button, assuming that when you want to charge your device, you hit the power button, you plug it in. These 4 lights tell you the amount of charge that it has out of the 4 total lights. There's 3. When I first took it out of the box and just had it exposed to the outside light. This green light, I'm assuming, I haven't looked through the directions, is it tells you that it's charging in the sun. And when you hit the on, it tells you that green light actually changes into, there's a flashlight too on this. This I activated by hitting that on switch. Every time you press it, it changes the lighting feature. So this on button has multiple functions. I'm trying to turn the light off. That's off. Oh, no, that's seizure mode, I guess. I just want to turn it off. You hold it and the light turns off when you hold it. You press it, it changes the features on the light. You press it once before you do anything, it tells you how much charge it has and charges your device. And then it has an automatic shut off. Very cool, very simple. Seems like an effective, simple, everything you need in one device to charge your phone or whatever electronic devices you have on the go. I like it. Got it charging the sun on my dashboard right now. The wire it came with was a 3-wire USB whatever this is, the Apple USB-C and micro USB. I don't know why these companies can't just, they gotta make extra money on their little, every time somebody needs a new one or loses their charger, they gotta make their extra money. Can't just work for the customer. Customer doesn't come first. That's why we have this. If the customer came first, we wouldn't have this. But not getting off topic. This is pretty cool to have. I mean, there's no other way this solar panel could really, cover all the grounds necessary without providing this. So it's cool that they do. And I lied. There's actually another output on the end. So there's 3. There's one here, there's one on this end, there's one here. I missed this one. We got 2 USB outlets and 1 input. 2 USB, 1 input. USB-C. Right now my phone's plugged into the charger, the battery pack, solar powered battery pack, and it's charging right now. Works.